Hey, what's up guys? It's Julian Black, and we're gonna do something pretty interesting today. Most of you have probably seen me with this hairstyle for as long as you have known me. You think it's real, right? Well, I have a little bit of a confession to make. This is not my real hair. This is my real hair. This is unfortunate, isn't it? It's thinning. I was cursed with bad genetics, so I am losing my hair, unfortunately. It sucks. But we are gonna go do something about it. We are gonna go visit my dear friend Tiffany Prescott, who has her own hair salon. She is going to do a topper, so come with me and let's see how this goes. Let's do it. All right, I'm here. There's Tiff.
Hi guys, we are so excited. We're working on a wonderful new project. This is called a men's hair replacement system. It's a really wonderful quality, super touchable, human hair, and Julian is gonna be rock star self in it. We're really excited.
All right, guys, we're starting the journey now. Let's roll. Here it is. The hair, it's amazing. And it's all thanks to Tiffany.
Yay! Oh, this was so fun. So fun. Thank you for including me. This was really great. Yay! I'm Tiffany Prescott of Tiffany's Parlor. Julian gave me the honor of creating this amazing project today. We had so much fun, and I would say the project was chef's kiss. So if you guys have any hair needs, I love to take care of our family. So come on in and see us, and here with Cynthia and Michaela, and we're very happy days. Just kiss. Bye-bye.
And there you have it, friends. Take a look. I have all natural hair replacement system. I can part it to the side, or I could even tie it back, just like that. This was such an incredible experience. Tiffany was amazing for coming up with this and having me try it. If you ever need hair stuff done by her, whether it be something like this or just general hair needs, definitely go and see her. Thank you so much, Tiffany at Tiffany's Parlor, for doing this for me. Truly appreciate it. And overall, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.